Hello everyone, welcome back to Dan and 3. This video episode is about cooking temperatures. Now it's a vital foundation for cooking to be able to know what temperature your cooking surface is at so that way you can cook for the proper amount of time to achieve the desired results. Now a good thermometer, of course, is the best way to determine the cooking heat source, but if you don't have that, you can use a palm test to get a rough idea of the temperature. Now, caution, this method can cause injury and burns. If you're not sure how to do this, or if you're uncomfortable doing it, or if it's painful in any way, please do not do this process and seek an alternate method. But how to use the palm test is with the heat source applied to your cooking surface. You will place your hand about 5 inches above the heat surface. So if your pan is onto the burner, you put it about 5 inches above that. And the amount of time that you hold it there is going to kind of give you an idea of what the temperature is. Now, please, if you have any loose clothing or jewelry or anything that hangs down, please remove that or otherwise contain that so it doesn't cause any problems. So the following durations should give you an approximate idea here. So if you can only hold your hand for 1 second or less before you have to pull it away because it hurts, it's roughly 550 to 600 degrees or more in temperature, so that's pretty hot. 2 to 4 seconds is between 450 and 550 degrees, which would be considered high heat. 5 to 7 seconds would be 350 to 450, which is more of your medium heat. 8 to 10 seconds would be about 250 to 350, which is considered low heat. And an important thing, if you're using any type of cooking oil, oil smokes at different points, so it has different heat temperatures that oil starts to smoke, and that will give you an indicator visually that there's that you're at that temperature. Soybean oil smokes at about 450 degrees, vegetable oil at 400 degrees, canola oil about 400 degrees, chicken fat or duck fat is 375 degrees, butter is roughly 350 degrees, and olive oil is 325 degrees. Internal meat temperatures for safety here, you'll want an internal meat thermometer to test that, and beef is rare at 125, medium rare at 135, medium at 145, and well at 165. Pork is medium at 145, medium well at 155, and well at 165. And chicken you want to make sure is at a minimum of 165, and fish at 145. So hopefully that gets you started on the cooking temperatures and how to identify that. And if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much, everyone.